Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn more about the HP Pavilion 15-fd laptop and explore its specification and case features. If you are in the market for an everyday laptop, this review will be helpful. The HP Pavilion 15-fd0000la laptop is an interesting choice with a balance between performance and price. Now, let's take a closer look at its specification. It features an Intel Core i3 N305 processor, which offers balanced performance for basic and everyday tasks. It can reach speeds of up to 3.8 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, which means it's capable of handling a variety of tasks with ease. It comes equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, allowing you to run multiple programs smoothly. Sufficient memory is essential to ensure a seamless experience in everyday computer usage. The laptop has a 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, which means you will enjoy fast boot times and efficient app loading. Solid state storage is a significant advantage for overall system speed. The screen is 15.6 inches and offers full HD resolution, 1920 by 1018. With a micro edge design and anti-glare properties, you will enjoy a pleasant visual experience. Additionally, it reaches 250 nits of brightness and covers 45% of the NTSC color spectrum. It comes with pre-installed Windows 11 Home, which means you will have access to the latest Microsoft features and updates. This laptop also features a backlit keyboard, making typing in low light conditions easier. In Mexico, the price of the HP Pavilion 15-fd0000la laptop starts at around $511.41. You can find it for sale at major retailers like Office Depot, Walmart, and Amazon. In summary, the HP Pavilion 15-fd laptop is an excellent choice for students or anyone in need of a laptop for everyday tasks. While it is not the most powerful laptop on the market, it offers balanced performance and great value for the money. I hope this video review has been helpful in getting to know more about the HP Pavilion 15-fd laptop. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Until next time.